I just solo traveled around the Philippines for 23 days, fresh out of high school, 18 years old, with no plan, so let me show you how it went. Solo travel is romanticized a lot these days. Social media paints it out as either the greatest thing you can do when you're young or completely overrated and lonely. With all this influence of opinion, I decided to exercise my curiosity, and after one Google search, I booked a flight with no itinerary, just me and my backpack, and the idea of testing my social limits in a country full of strangers. And honestly, I would have loved for a friend to come with me, but no one could afford the trip or get time off. So our slightly nostalgic, but moreover legendary experience with my close friends in Vietnam was off the table. So it was all up to me. But why the Philippines? Honestly, I'm not really sure. I've just always wanted to go there, and that was enough. So with only 2 nights of accommodation booked, 1 flight in and 1 flight out, 23 days later, I headed to the airport and into the unknown. So I've touched down in Manila. Not looking forward to this because I just want to sleep, but I'm in a freaking room with like 16 other people. As I waited for check-in, I ended up meeting this older gentleman from Finland. We got a beer together and talked about the differences between there and Australia before I checked out for a nap. Right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back in the game. Had a nap. I actually have to socialise. Some random guy from Cameroon told me to come in here. So I've got my food, but I'm just a little bit confused. Like, am I supposed to cook this shit? It's freezing cold. That wasn't actually my real food. This is my real food. And it's warm. Excuse me. Can you teach me how to hold the chopstick?
You want fork?
Yeah, but I want to learn as well though. Yeah, thank you.
Want to learn?
Yeah. Okay, no worries. The first person I ended up speaking to was this nice girl, Meiji. We became friends and we did a show.
Wait, let me go behind the bar.
I understand. I ended up on a bit of a pub crawl after that, meeting some randoms, but called it a night with some Mr. Chippy. When I woke up, they were completely altering the street, getting ready for this huge party. I had to watch my beloved bulldogs before I booked a flight out of Manila. Oh my god, we should do the same picture.
Oh my goodness, Valentine!
No,
Whoa, oh no!
no.
That is not the shot!
Alright, I'm so keen to get out of this city. Yeah, I booked a flight to Coron. This guy who I met last night's on the same flight as me, so we're going to meet up and yeah, just get out of here. That guy that I had met last night was Tobey. English and very confident, Tobey had already spent 5 weeks travelling in Southeast Asia, which was documented on his TikTok account. And little did we know what the fate of us being on the same flight had in store for us. Oh, that guy, bro. Did you vote for him?
Did you vote for the president? You don't like him? He's a dick. Oh, he takes cocaine.
As we checked in to fly out of Manila, I realized how much I rushed the whole experience. Maybe one day I'd go back and really explore the city, but for now, I just wanted to get out into nature. So I took the bus to the cheapest hostel available, which turned out to be quite homely. Sweet, thank you. Bye. Bye. Alright, so this is my hostel. No one's in here at the moment, I don't think. So I've gone ahead and booked. So my mate convinced me. He said, and I've seen other people say you have to do this tour from Coron to Artlit. It's really expensive though. But I just went ahead and booked it because even though I literally don't have enough money, I just did it anyway because I've got a huge FOMO. So I'm pretty excited to do that. It's a once in a lifetime thing according to lots of people. It should be alright. That night, me and Tobey went out for dinner, and after drinking 3 beers, we were really in the mood to explore, ending up at this local basketball game. Should ask to join in the commentary as well. It's pretty professional. Oh, this guy's goated. Oh, pull it, bro, pull it. Can I play? No? Ew.
So we've been on the beers, the red horse. Holy shit, that is stronger than a horse. And hence the name, horse, is a good name anyway. You know, the night is young, it's about 11:40 PM right now, and we're gonna go find a club, which may be a difficult mission, have a good night, and then review again tomorrow.
Hello, Tobey. Let's take a picture. Hello, my friend.
What's your Facebook?
You have Instagram?
No.
You don't have?
I don't have IG.
You don't have?
Gonna plan out our days and we're gonna make the most of this area. Seems to be like lots of stuff to do during the day and not a lot to do in the night, which is fine by me, honestly. We had a few beers, we got to know each other more, so it looks like we're gonna stick together for a little while. He's a legend when it comes to talking to people. Like, he just walks up to people, asks them shit, he doesn't give a fuck. It's the kind of person I need to be around so I can improve my social skills. I'll find my hostel, get to bed, and yeah, I'll see you in the morning, boys. Alright, so me and Toby are about to head off to do an hour-long hike to one of the only natural hot springs in the Philippines or the world or some shit, I don't know. A message from a French girl Toby had spoken to last night led us instead to the beach, where we played Monopoly cards, had a swim, and here's me explaining post-game what happened. So we're just with these French girls that Toby was talking to, and they were like absolutely like, I'm just talking about the French girls, like they were beautiful. Out of my league anyway, but
Oh, bro, enough of that shit. Anything is in your league, bro. You just gotta believe it is, and it will be.
so yeah, that's what happened. That's why I didn't film anything, because I was too nervous. Instead of getting a tuk-tuk, we decided to walk to the hot springs. It was half an hour, but way more immersive and enjoyable. It's a beautiful tree. The mangroves on the side there.
You're that bad? Alright, take.
Holy fucking shit, bro. It's hot as fuck. It's hot as fuck. It's actually kind of nice though.
Oh my gosh.
It's nice though.
No, this is well nice, bro.
Yeah.
I feel like people are exaggerating.
Yeah. But it's like too hot to get in. Like, yeah.
Get a load of those guys. That is not true. It's fucking lovely to get in.
Yeah.
This is like the sauna, but an improved experience.
Yeah.
This is what we're relying on, people. This. Right, we can do that quicker. Let's go.
In the dark. As we were leaving the hot springs, because we had no driver, we decided to make the hour-long walk back in the dark. However, about 5 minutes in, this happened. Hello. Yeah, we need a ride.
Hello. I'll go to my hotel.
150 per person, sir.
Oh, okay. What about 100, brother? Brother, we do 100. Come on.
Hi, what's your name, sir?
Finn. Finn from Australia.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Bye. Bye, sir.
Cheers, mate. On day 6, I decided to book a boat tour by myself because I felt a duty to explore this one-of-a-kind area, even if it was overcrowded with tourists. Alright, that's the swimming spot. There's no fucking way I'm swimming with a life jacket on. I'm sorry, tour guides, but... Luckily, the next stops I was able to swim about freely, and the beauty waiting for me under the water led me to make a promise to myself to always get in and explore when possible. And this promise carried through to day 7 when I hopped on a 3-day tour with Tobey, joining a group of strangers as we island hopped our way to our nido. And although I was hesitant to do it at the time, this turned into one of the best things I've ever done.
Here we go at the first stop right now. Here we are, meal one on the tour. Some fish, some chicken, veg, rice, and a bit of pumpkin. What do you think, bro?
That fish is delightful.
Yeah, I'm about to try it right now.
Unfortunately, that was the last we saw of Tobey for the day, as that fish, coupled with his lack of sleep, led him to spend the rest of the day throwing up on the side of the boat. Feeling sorry for him, I just spent the rest of the day snorkeling in this crystal clear blue water, incredibly grateful for the sun and the lovely people on the boat. And soon enough, it was time to pull up to our first island. This was my little beach hut, but then the free punch took over and I had a great night talking shit and playing drinking games.
What is it? 10:30. Feel a little bit revived, regenerated, refreshed, reformed, revitalized. I have had food poisoning, I think, anyway. That's my suspicion. Been throwing up recklessly, like uncontrollably. On my way to revival right now. Feel way better today.
Is that not deep enough?
A bit shallow. So.
Oh, okay.
But mind you, if you
Yeah,
get cooler with that, maybe just dive like.
I reckon I'll be fine, bro.
It looks like shallow.
It's perfect with the music.
I was expecting him to come out with blood all over his face.
This is what a remote beach in the Philippines looks like. But unfortunately, humans have left their mark.
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.
How to cook this guy?
Oh, that's a big word. C1. Oh, tell him, lad. I'm enjoying it. Yeah, me too. Oh,
We scored 4-4 here. Match point.
oh, well played. Very, very good game, boy. Yeah.
So after that profoundly beautiful and memorable day, we swam to our quintessential paradise of an island, ready for one of the great sunsets and some nighttime karaoke.
What's happening, cunt? What do you think of this new surroundings, bro?
It's beautiful, man. Palm trees, beautiful beach.
I thought the last one was beautiful, but this is just like, holy shit.
Oh! What do you reckon, bro?
Cheers, buddy.
Cheers.
Oh, you don't even have some rum, bro. You got some water.
Water. Yeah, went too hard last night. A beautiful evening watching the sunset segued nicely into some karaoke, where my raw and heartfelt rendition of Bohemian Rhapsody nearly brought this bald bloke Callum to tears and earned me the nickname Freddie Mercury. However, this did not top Tobey, who showed the incredible courage to perform his own rap song. On my last day on the boat, I took the time to soak in and truly savour the breathtaking beauty of Palawan. It warmed my heart to witness such incredible natural wonders, and even more so to share these moments with my boy Tobey and the amazing friends I'd made along the way. After disembarking, Tobey and I checked into our new hostel, and that's where the next chapter begins. Join us next Saturday for episode 2 of this series as I continue pushing the boundaries of solo travel, making my way full circle around the Philippines. The journey includes an 11-hour layover, a 10-hour ferry ride, and of course more unforgettable landscapes and incredible people. But at least I wasn't alone.